Okay, y'all ready? Yes. I'm ready.
Don't care if they judging me, cause everybody got some. You hit, you knuckleheads, and you know it's gon' hit. And it's all because of you, so rest in peace to case with Go Shorty.
Cousins, Kimfuls, what's good? It's your girl, Real Life Plug, and I'm back with another episode for the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If not, and you're coming back, thank you for tuning back into my channel. It really means a lot to me that you guys are supporting me. And if I haven't said it already, happy 1 year anniversary to us. Let's get it. So as y'all can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm so excited to have one of these items. I feel like you really one of those girls if you have an authentic, genuine, real one of these bags. And I got it yesterday. It was my first time actually even getting one of these bags. And I got it yesterday. It came in the mail. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. So this is the box that it came in. I like to scratch my name on right now because I be seeing some of y'all TikTok videos. Y'all real scammers for real. Y'all be doing the absolute most of the people's. Y'all be doing the absolute most trying to get people's addresses and information and stuff. This is the box that it came in just like this in the mail yesterday. And then we're gonna get into it. Still in the big. Butter. Okay, y'all ready? I'm ready. It is so much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. So if you're getting anything bigger than this one, fam, what kind of shopping you doing? So as y'all can see, and by the title of this video, your girl got a Telfar bag. I officially feel like I'm trying to take my thumbnail at the same time. I officially feel like one of those girls because I got this bag. Let me see, I just want to show my hand. And then this piece of paper right here that's in my hand, this is just the packing slip. So this is how it comes, big logo. Ooh. I'm so excited, big logo, okay. And listen, right? I'm gonna tell y'all why it's such a big deal. Let me just get another bag. I'm gonna tell, I got it in the bubblegum pink. I thought I got like I really don't know what, but I knew I didn't order the big dumbass one, like the big huge one, but this is getting pretty big. So when I was in high school, my mom had got me some fake Uggs. I don't know where she got these Uggs from. I think she got them off Monument Street. But immediately, as soon as I got them out the box, I knew they were fake. And I just was like, dang, bro, I had to play it off. You feel what I'm saying? So when I got to school, other people immediately knew that they was fake Uggs too. And the icing on the cake was one day I was at the altar at church. And I got up from the altar and something just was like, look behind you on the ground and pick it up. I look behind me and it's like this little jiffy for real. Y'all, it was the UGG emblem. It had fell off the bottom. Real Uggs, like it's a whole solid, sole to the shoe. Bruh, my mom had got these Uggs, bruh, and the damn UGG emblem was like a piece, an adhesive piece on the motherfucking shoe, and it fell off. And I was like, bruh, I'm gonna wear these to school, bruh. Like, that's embarrassing. Like, Christmas was like on a Friday or something. We had went to church that Sunday and they fell off. And I'm like, bro, like, how am I supposed to walk now? Like, I gotta like, bruh. And then, you know what? Like, I heard people talking about me, but nobody said nothing to my face. Nobody like approached me and was like, we know your Uggs fake. Like, in none of the roasting sessions did they say anything. So that was one experience. I'm gonna tell y'all the other story. Let's get into this. I'm really excited, but what I'm saying is, if I got it, it's real. It gotta be real, because I've been traumatized by having inauthentic things and being made fun of in my childhood. So if I got it, it's real. Period. I don't do no fake, no flaws, and I will reuse the same thing. Like my Moschino bag, my tote bag, that's my first big girl bag. I will keep wearing it and using it. Like my watches, they still tick, they still talk. So this is the dust bag that it comes in. Okay, it's the front, it's the big, the bite, that's how you see it. I'm so excited. Look at her. And this is the perfect size for me. I was telling my homegirls like back in the day, let's get close up on it. Now I've been had the opportunity to get one of these bags, right? But I was like, I don't want to just get one just to get one and just to say I got one, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I see the girls in the Facebook business girl boss groups that are selling the knockoff versions of these, right? And I know how to identify an inauthentic Telfar bag. So that's another reason why I just was like, bro, if I can identify it, I know other people can identify it. And there's nothing wrong with getting the dupe. If you can't afford the real deal, okay, cool. You know, it's a me thing. So I like the fact that it matches my nails off back. And if I wanted to put my feet on here, I would, but I don't. And I was kind of a little bit hot in here. Probably some talking around, have his light on me. Anyway, let's get into it. I don't really know how an unboxing video is supposed to go, but I really like this tag. I don't know if there's like an official tag to make name for this or whatever, but it's cute. You like it? Okay, how do you go? Okay, definitely keeping. Matter of fact, let's put it right in the dust bag. Put it shampoo. Okay, let's get into it. This is the shoulder strap. You feel me? Someone you want to carry it. Same shade like this, like that. You feel me? Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. You know, and then, you know, when the girls want to take that picture of her still matching this movie, I wasn't, you know, when the girls do like this, you know, it's brand new, so it's not holding, it's not sitting. Like it's used, but when the girls want to go like that, do that pose, anyway, I'm not gonna know. But yeah, I'm really excited that I got the bubblegum pink color because post breakup, I'm really just trying to stay in my soft, feminine energy. I don't want to be upset. I don't want to be angry. And like I've been the man for me for a very long time. You know what I'm saying? And for other people. So now it's time for me to be the woman. And one of the ways that I express that is by trying to add color to my wardrobe, by trying to stay, you know, in a more feminine, softer colors. And I feel like this is the type of pink that you can use year round. Like it's not just a summer pink, a spring pink, or, you know, like you can use this, you can make it work. The world that can make it work, and honey, I'm one of them. Hear that. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh, let's get into it. So we opened it up. I just want to make sure. This is the medium, oh shoot. This is the medium bubblegum shopping bag. This hand says, like I said, if I got it, it is. I thought about it. Somebody on Instagram hit me up with the Christian Dior tote bag, and I really want it, but you know, priorities and stuff. We open up the bag, and this is what it's giving inside. I was talking to Erica the other day, and I was like, oh, because I told her I had got this bag, and I was like, I didn't get the really big one because I don't live the type of lifestyle anymore that, you know, I need to have outfits and days worth of stuff with me, and like whole bottles of soap and deodorant and stuff. Like I don't do that type of stuff anymore. And I mean, just in general, we live in like really dangerous times, you know. And I don't want, first of all, if I mean, even if you don't know what Telfar is, even if you don't know what or who the brand is, excuse me, y'all. You know, it's Sunday. I've been drinking my mimosas, trying to balance it out with my water. If you don't know what the brand is, you know, this is a pretty bold, loud bag. You know what I'm saying? Accompanied on the shoulder of a bad bitch like me. You gonna think it got money and stuff, and that you gonna wanna, you know. So, and I travel a lot by myself, so I really just don't like to draw extra attention to myself. I don't, you know, I just don't really need a big dumbass bag. Like, let's see if I can fit it. When I came back to SF, I had ordered this bag when I was in Virginia, like right after I had got broken up with. I ordered this bag. I was at the nail salon getting my nails, toes, and eyebrows done, and I ordered this bag. It's $11.59. So when I was trying to organize my wardrobe, I was like, okay, I need to leave a space for my tea bag, for my taffy. I don't currently have space for it. I don't have space for it at this exact moment. I don't think that she is going to make a premiere until TravCon. At least not on social media. Hashtag I work from home. And I really like that stitching on the tag. Is that a secret pocket? It's a secret pocket in the tag. I don't think that you should really utilize it for that purpose, but you know. And I'm gonna just go ahead with these straps right back up in sure. My dust bag for my mosquito is in Atlanta, so that's why that's not in there. Well, I couldn't even see that, but that's why that's not in the bag. But the iconic caution sign bag is in a dust bag. I don't know, I don't care. Oh, I could put it right here. Let's see. I need that right here. No, it's not gonna work. For some people, it's the regular, it's the normal. They have plethora of things like that, but a year ago, growing up, like, being able to buy myself a several $100 bag or a couple $100 bag or spend $100 on myself, it just was like, what? That's $100. 2 for a bag. What else would I have done with that $200? Anyway, I'm gonna post this video soon because I want y'all to see it before TravCon. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna have a little mini Shein and Nordstrom Rack haul soon. If you like this video and you want to see me do more unboxing videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We still out. Road to 1K. We almost there, y'all. We are at, as of today, right now, before filming, we are at 816 68 cousins. Yes, a completely organically grown platform. I'm so excited. Y'all know I have to keep going, but this video is kind of long, so we still out.